welcome back to another vlog. Today is Saturday. Y'all hear Jeremy? Today is Saturday, October 2nd, and we are having craft day here in the house. I'm about to show you guys a mini Dollar Tree haul of everything that we're going to be using today because we are painting. We are painting...
Sip and paint.
Huh?
Sip and paint.
Oh, because we are having a sip and paint. So we are painting, we're using our canvases. We also, like, a while back got some, like, what are they?
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs. We got some dinosaurs that we're gonna paint. It's gonna be real fun. But we're also gonna be, like, drinking. We're gonna have some wine, and, you know, Jeremiah's gonna have his apple juice. So let's get into this Dollar Tree haul because it's quite a few things. So if you wanna have a sip and paint party, you need to hit up Dollar Tree because they literally... everything we bought, we got from there. Like I said, other than the thing from Target, but we got, like, there's literally like 6 bags here of everything we got. So we have a tablecloth. I picked out yellow because it just felt fun. And then we got aprons, one for each of us. We got a red one. The colors are down here. The red one, the green one, and then we got yellow. Jeremiah's is like the same size as ours because it says ages 3 and up. So I'm assuming they're pretty small. But, you know. Jermaine, he bought Jeremiah, it's like a big coloring book. So we got some markers for that. Just in case, like, oh, here it is. It's a coloring mat. So got the markers for that. We have some crayons too, but they are, Jeremiah done already got into them, so they're all over the house. And then we have these little easels. We have 3 of them. And then we actually got, May went and got some bigger ones. Okay. So we got these easels so that we can use them to paint. And then these are the smaller ones. And then we got all our paint. We have, is this brown? We have deep brown. Let's go a little closer. See that? Then we got red. Orange. We got black, yellow. What? I wish I could turn the camera around and show y'all. Jeremiah done put on his hat and these shoes, well, his dad's shoes. So we got purple. Oh, it's like a ombre of my nails. But anyways, purple, and then we got blue. The only color we didn't get was white, you know, for obvious reasons. Trying to keep it not as messy. Okay. Here's some space. Okay. Then we got our canvases. We got more than one just in case you know, feeling in the mood to paint more than one thing. They're like the little mini canvases. We actually have 6. I don't need to show all. There's 2 for each. And then we got our paintbrushes. Oh wait, these aren't our paintbrushes. These are our paintbrushes. So this is for me, Jermaine, and then we got like the smaller, thinner ones for Jeremiah. This is our palettes. We got, these are for me and Jermaine. And then this is for Jeremiah. It's kind of crazy that all this stuff is at the Dollar Tree. Okay, and then we also got it's like these wooden word like stencils. Have one that says home. I mean, we were gonna use them to like trace or like just paint them. So we got one that says home, one that says love, one that says laugh. We got butterfly. We got a dog and a cross. We are in a painting mood today. Yeah, and then we also got these not related to the sip and paint party, but Jeremiah loves dinosaurs, so got these. They're mirrors. Here you go, buddy. Yeah, Jeremiah's over here. Okay, last but not least, we got, this is not at the Dollar Tree, but we're gonna paint these as well. I mean, they weren't expensive. These were, these are only $3. So this is a rocket ship. So it's a ceramic rocket, and we're gonna paint them. And then me and Jeremiah, we're gonna paint dinosaurs. Is mine the rocket? Yeah. So I'm gonna paint dinosaurs as well. Yeah. Ceramic dinosaurs. Yeah. All right, guys. So that's the mini haul of everything we're gonna be using today. So welcome to the sip and paint party. You want to put on an apron?
What do you want, buddy?
Yeah. Which color do you want?
Red.
You want red? Okay. Put on your apron. See, that's what I said. Because they said it was 3+. I knew they were going to be a little small. All right. This is perfect. Look, buddy. You put on your apron?
Yes.
Okay. The apron so we can paint. Okay, you want to tie it around your waist. Let me see. Okay. I'm gonna get behind you. Look at you. The red apron. I know, but it's red. I know, it looks like it's like you can't go. But. Why you got your eyes like that? He's been looking cross-eyed this whole time.
Oh, no way, shit.
Oh, let me.
No way, shit.
Looks like you can't breathe.
Oh, oh, oh,
Okay.
oh,
Go.
oh.
Little apron. Okay. All right, buddy. Let's get down so we can paint. Okay, baby. Let's get everything soaking. Okay, I am going to do
No,
yellow, and then Jermaine can do green.
no.
We supposed to keep ours loose, I guess.
That's the no one else.
Well, I'm wearing a damn bib.
Oh, the other.
guys, it's the next day and I wanted to get on here and show you guys our end results once the portraits, the canvases had dried. So this one's mine, this is Jeremiah's, and then that's Jermaine's. This was really fun and therapeutic to do. We're going to be doing this again because we have another canvas, a piece that we can still use. I don't know, I really enjoyed this. Make sure you hit up your Dollar Tree if you are looking for paint supplies, because they had so much stuff, even more than what like we purchased to like have a craft day, you know. So it was really fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and conclude the video here. If you're not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.